Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. I'm in the spare bedroom today, also known as the cat's bedroom because she's taking it over as her own. So we bring her food in here as well. So she's got her own little spec. Today is Cheapy Tuesday and I wanted to show you some of the bits and bobs I got from the thrift store, the charity shop, and also little bits as well. I went to Bernardo's and I picked up this gothic style tea light. It's made of glass, red and green glass. It's lovely. Metal, so it's quite robust. Usually they're quite flimsy or often made of pottery, but I just thought that was beautiful, and the sort of thing you could leave out all year round. It doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas decor, does it, honey? No. She's got the blanket stuck on her foot. What are you doing? There we go. That's better, isn't it? I also picked up this picture for this room, and it was £1 of birds and this little baby fawn. I thought it was sweet. I'll probably put it on this wall above the hedgehog, and that's it then. No more pictures. I'm not going to put anything on this pretty wallpaper because I think it's nice enough. You don't really need anything on it. I've got a little mirror and a little pin board, and above this wall I've got 2 paintings of birds that I picked up in the charity shop, and the frame I picked up for £1 as well. So this ballerina picture I've had for ages, and that was £1. So I need to dust these shelves. It's just to keep dusting them and they're still dusty. I don't know why. But anyway, so yeah, I had a look in my local charity shop. There wasn't really anything there. They have usually a tub or a rail outside with free stuff. And I picked up this bubbly blue glass tea light. It's clearly modern. Well, that's going to go in the bathroom. So let's put it in there now. I've got a blue jug that I use as a vase that I bought from Crete years ago on Happy Holidays. So I'm going to stick that there next to it. There you go, and I'll put a tea light in it. There you go, my pride of place. So I just thought the blue bricks up all the white and the grey because it's all white and grey in here. When I was decluttering, I found a ship in a bottle, so I thought, oh, I'll put it on the shelf because it's a maritime theme, isn't it? So it's also fitting for a bathroom. Still have this also my sink out, so I'll probably get that done. Sort that out on around the 12th, 13th when I get my teacher's pension, which is less than universal credit. I know. So people think teachers are rich. Well, this teacher isn't. There's the cat. So let's go back and I'll show you some of the bits and bobs I've got there. So my son's, my oldest son left the house. He left his old PlayStation behind so I could sell it as a contribution towards the renovating and decorating. So I've been decluttering, like I said, and I put it up for sale, and I sold it yesterday. And my youngest has given me his old PlayStation today. I said I can put that up for sale as well. So with that I could buy some wood and paint for the middle bedroom, hopefully. And yeah, so that's kind of both of them. So yesterday I just did a little bit of shopping and I paid my son back some money because he gave me 75 quid towards the plumber for materials when we had the plumber in to put the bath and the sink and the toilet in. And so I gave him some of that money from yesterday's PlayStation, and this will be going up today. Okay, there we go. There we go. You're going out now. It goes out on the roof. This window is a very large cat flap. Right, so yeah, so while I was decluttering, I come across this and I thought, oh gosh, I forgot all about that. It was originally £1.50 by the sticky label. You can see it's from Bernardo's, and it's got pretty dried flowers all around the sides. Isn't that lovely? I forgot about it. And yeah, so I thought, oh, it's appropriate to go in here. Of course, I've got boxes over there on the whatnot. The little shelf here, the leather inlaid shelf, that cost me £3 in the charity shop. So this will go towards the box collection, so that's nice, a bit of decor that technically hasn't cost me anything. So I said to my sons, I just want little things for Christmas because I'm just spending money on stuff that I need for decorating. So my youngest, who still lives with me, I picked it out and he paid for it. Got me this. I'll put that on here. Got me this necklace. If you're a regular viewer of mine, you'll know I like Egyptian things. So I've seen this Cleopatra Egyptian-y style necklace. It's only costume jewellery. And blue's obviously my favourite colour. So when I seen this, I was absolutely made up with it. I think it was like £12 or something. So my youngest has bought me this. It's so pretty. 60s, 70s, maybe 80s, I don't know. I just thought, oh, I'll wear that on Christmas Day because I've got a blue velvet shirt that I bought from Marks and Spencer's a couple of years ago. So I've still got that. So I'll probably wear that on Christmas Day. Probably with a thermal shirt under it this weather. But I thought, oh, I'll wear my pretty necklace. So it's lovely, isn't it? And my oldest son got me a tea towel with cocktails on because I'm going to frame it up. So my son was saying, do you want another tea towel? So yeah, I found this. I think it said it was used, but I think it's brand new, and it's going to go in the kitchen. So my son paid for this. Herbs and spices in a really lovely blue, and it's got all jars that are labelled up like a pantry because the pantry's at the foremost of my mind at the moment because it's recently been done. So I thought, oh, so I've got to get a clippy frame for the cocktail one, so I'll get it for this as well. It's lovely, isn't it? So I didn't want anything fancy for Christmas because we've done all that in the past. They're both grown up, they've got their own things they need to do. My son's in his own flat with his girlfriend, and my youngest is here saving up for a deposit for his own place. So they've got big priorities, so that's why I've just said I just want little presents, I don't want anything big. So he's bought me this, which I absolutely love, so that'll go in the kitchen next to my fridge on the wall. And I picked up this from the seller who bought the cocktail one from last week, and because I like a Christmas tea towel. Do you get a Christmas tea towel? I should do that on my Grony video, shouldn't I? My daily one about Christmas decor. And this is a vintage one, you can tell it's washed, 100% cotton, but it's the 12 Days of Christmas. What's that? Mary Henderson. So the 12 drummers drumming, the 11 pipers piping, the 10 lords are leaping. Yeah, because they get like over £300 a day to attend Parliament. I'd be leaping if someone paid me to fall asleep on a chair and get paid £300 a day to do it as well, wouldn't you? What were the 9 ladies doing? I don't know. The 8 maids are milking. The 9 ladies are doing something. If you know, let me know. 6 geese are laying. 7 swans are swimming. 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds. 3 French hens. 2 turtle doves. And a partridge in a pear tree. Oh yes, it says it there. 9 ladies dancing. They just, I don't know, they don't look like they're dancing to me. Maybe that's why they've put the ballet shoes there so you can see. But isn't this sweet? I think, oh, Grace. So yeah, so I've got my cocktail tea towels go up on the wall above me kitsch trolley, which I got from the charity shop. And this lovely jars one will go in the kitchen on the wall. It's beautiful. And I've got my snazzy necklace. So I'm a happy bunny. I said to them, I don't want anything else. You save your money for your own place because that's what they want to do. I'd rather they kept the money in the savings. So let me know what you think of my little haul. And I hope to see you soon. And if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe? And if you give me a thumbs up or a comment, the YouTube algorithm likes that and it helps the channel a lot. Bye for now.